Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Electronic solution. Three types of MCBs provide protection within 1/10 of a sec. The minimum and maximum trip currents of these MCBs are given in a tabular form below, where IR is the rated current of the MCB. MCBs can also be classified based on number of poles such as single pole, double pole, triple pole, and 4-pole MCBs. How to select proper MCB for different loads. Choosing a particular MCB for a specific application is a careful task to ensure reliable protection against overloads and short circuits. If it is not selected according to the circuit requirements, there will be chances to lead frequent unwanted trippings. Before we going in details, we must know difference between MCB and MCCB, how to read MCB nameplate and difference between ELCB, RCB, and RCD circuit breakers. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Electronic solution. A combination of both magnetic and thermal tripping mechanisms are implemented in most of MCBs. In both magnetic and thermal tripping operations, an arc is formed when the contacts start separating. This arc is then forced into arc splitter plates via arc runner. These arc splitter plates are also called arc chutes, where arc is formed into a series of arcs and at the same time energy extracted and cools it. Hence this arrangement achieves the arc extinction. If it is undersized, MCB rating less than the nominal load current, MCB causes frequent tripping and causes to interrupt the current to the load it is being connected, because the MCB nominal current less than nominal current value of the load. Similarly, if it is oversized, MCB rating more than the nominal load current, the load to it is connected will not be protected efficiently. In such case, the MCB will not trip even though load is drawing over currents. 1 nominal rating of the circuit breaker. This is the rated ampere current rating of MCB. This value must be lower than the current carrying capacity of wiring system and higher than or equal to the maximum full load current in the wiring system. Generally, this rating should be such that it can handle 125% of continuous load plus rating of non-continuous load. Typically this can be expressed as 2-car rating or braking capacity. This rating refers to the capability of MCB that can trip or interrupt the circuit under short circuit conditions. It is expressed in kiloamps, ca. This rating must not be less than the prospective short circuit current. The prospective short circuit current, the maximum current that exists in the circuit during short circuit conditions. In residential installations 6 ca MCB is sufficient, while 10 ca or above rating MCB is needed for commercial and light industrial applications. 3 type of MCB. The type of MCB needed for a specific application decided by operating characteristics such that various current ratings are required to operate the loads instantaneously. We have already mentioned various types of MCBs for different applications above. Applications of MCB, miniature circuit breaker. As the main functions and applications has been already described in the above statements, the very basic uses of MCB is that it is used to protect a circuit, wiring, connected load, and equipments etc., in case of 1. Short circuit, 2. Overcurrent, 3. Overload. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Electronic solution.